everyone. So today we will go through the 5 whys generator. So you can come down here and open the 5 whys generator. And we have a guide here on how to utilize a tool. But if you want a full guide, you can go in here and just pretty much see everything that I will go through the video. But if you prefer to read, you can do that. So as we go back home, you can come in here and you can either go through this manual input, which you can do if you're in a room with individuals while you're trying to solve a problem, and you can input the question and the answer for each one of the whys, and then at the end you can just analyze it. But for this video, what we'll do is we will enter a problem statement, and the AI will guide us through the step, pretty much just asking us the whys for each one of the questions, saving us time on just trying to think about what to ask next. So if we say, what's the problem statement? My rice is dry. No, my rice is wet after cooking it. So we click start analysis. It'll prompt us to save it so you don't lose your work. Now, you'll see here, why is the rice wet? Because I put too much water. Then it'll just ask us why. Because I am not aware of how much water to put. It's going to ask us why. Because I was never taught. Because my mother always cooked for us. Why didn't you learn to cook rice later in life? That's a good question. Because I always ordered takeout. This is not true, by the way. So I never felt the need. Now, we've done all of our 5 whys, and what you'll see next is that we'll submit answer 5, and the AI will actually analyze this for us. So, identify the root cause. Lack of perceived need to learn rice cooking skills due to reliance on takeout. Potential solution: actively seek out and practice reliable cooking methods using online resources or cookbooks, starting with small batches to minimize waste. Now, if we go to the manual input, you'll see that everything that was inputted as we were going through the 5 whys is actually saved here. So if you were to do this manually, it would be the same. And then at the end, you would click analyze manual input, and you would get these results here. Now you can see that this is very clean the way that it's exported out, and you can come in here and you can export as Word or as a PDF, and that will give you your full analysis. And if you want to view that in full screen, you can.